Hello students, today we will discuss a practice problem of cycloid. Draw a locus of a point at 40 mm height lying on circumference of a circle of diameter 60 mm for one rotation. Name the curve and draw tangent and normal to curve at 38 mm from the surface. So class, first draw XY line, then class we will draw a circle of radius 30 as per the given condition. Measure 30, then draw circle divide circle into 8 parts. Okay. Now class, take projection of locus point P at a height of 40. So take reference of 40 class from here. Suppose this is the 40 mm. Okay. After that class, take reference of 40 mm and mark a point over the circumference of the circle. Suppose this is your P point, which we need to trace during the one complete rotation of the circle. Now class, naming the division of the circle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now see class that point P is lying between point 1 and 8. Okay. Suppose, so that's why class here the division of the 2 pi r distance have different method. Okay. So that's why class, first take dimension of the 2 pi r, that is equal to class 188.4. So now class mark 188.4. Okay, so this point is just class. Okay, so that length is class your 188.4 mm. So now class, again I'm saying class, whenever your P point is lying somewhere over the circumference like this between 1 and 8 or any division, so in that case class, first we have to measure that particular distance. Class, suppose I am measuring class now 1p. Now class, from the contact point between the circle and the horizontal surface, from that point class we will mark that distance. So class, suppose this point is your P and this point is your 1. Okay. Similarly class, we will measure 8p. Measure 8p over the compass, and class, from this end point we will mark that distance. Suppose class, this is 8 and this point is your P. Okay, now class, we will divide 1 to 8 that distance into 7 equal parts, because class you have a division of circle is 8, and 1p and plus 8p equal to 1/8. So one division, that distance already excluded from this division, this line. So that's why we will divide this line 1/8 into 7 part. So now class, draw random line, divide 7 part, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now class join. Now class join all points. Okay, so now class keep naming 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and P. Now class, all points which are lying on the horizontal line will extend vertically up. Start from 1, extend 1 vertically up, and make sure class all extensions are light in shade. Only your cycloid curve should be dark in this problem class. 2, extension of 3, extension of 4, extension of 5, extension 6, 7, 8, P. Now class extend all points lying on the circumference of the circle towards right, parallel with horizontal surface. And class we will also extend extension P point towards right. Now 8, now class topmost point 7, now class suppose this is center point C and this is extension of 1, so this point is your C1, this point is your class C2, C3, C4, C5, C6, C7, C8, P. Okay. Okay. Now class, when we rotate class this circle towards right clockwise direction, then that P point will follow some locus. The tracing of P is like this class. When the center shift from C to C1, that P follow the extension of 1. When center is shifting from C1 to C2, then P follow the extension of 2. When your center is shifting from C to C3, then P follow the extension of 3. Similarly, class, for center shifting for C4, the P will follow extension of 4. And now class, how to mark traces of P on the respective extension class C. This is the perpendicular diameter of the circle. Those points which are towards left, we will mark from the respective center towards left. Those points which are lying towards right, we will mark over the respective extension from the center towards right. So now class start from C1, major compass equal to radius of the circle. So now class C1, and this is the extension of 1, and 1 is lying towards right. So we will mark from C1 on extension of 1 towards right. So this point is your P1. Now class C2, extension of 2. 2 is lying towards right. So we will mark from C2 over the towards right. So this point is your class P2. Now class C3, and class your 3 point is lying at the top bottom point of the circle. So that point is your class P3. Now class C4, and this is the extension of 4, and your 4 point is lying towards left. So that's why class from C4 we will mark towards left on the extension of 4. So this is C4, and we will mark extension of 4 towards left. So this point is your class P4. Now C5, extension of 5, and 5 is lying towards left. So from C5 we will mark towards left. So this is C5, and this point is your P5. Now C6, extension of 6, and 6 lying towards left. So from C6 we will mark towards left on the extension of 6. So this point is your class P6. C7, extension of 7, and it is the topmost point of the circle. So this point is your P7. C8, extension of 8, and 8 is lying towards left of the perpendicular diameter of the circle. So from 8 we will mark towards right. Okay, so that point is class your P8. Now class C5. Okay, and this is the extension of P, and it is lying class towards right. So from CP we will mark towards right. So this point is your class P. Now class we will join all points which we trace P1, P2, P3, P4, P5, P6, P7, P8 and P with freehand. So start from P. So now class start. Okay, so class, this is your required cycloid curve. Now class, we will draw tangent and normal to curve at 38 mm from the surface. So now class, first take reference of 38 from the horizontal surface. 38. Now measure class 38. Now cut class on this. So class, that distance is your 38. Now class, take reference height of 38 and extend towards where the extension of 38 intersect the curve. Just mark that point and give naming. M. Okay. Now class, from M, measure compass equal to the radius of the circle 30. Now class, from M, cut on the extension of center. Suppose this point and give naming class CM. Okay. Then class, join this point and extend CM vertical downward, and this, suppose this point is your N. Now class, join N or M and extend. Class, this is your normal at a height of 38. Now class, from the normal, draw tangent. This is your tangent. Okay, so this is your class, your required tangent and normal at a height of 38. Now class, give dimension to the circle. Okay, after that class, mark circumference of the circle. To pi r. Okay. So class, this is your required solution for this problem. Hope you understood this part. Thanks.